In this interactivity, we are going to explore dissolving and demonstrate how this process occurs. This will help you to grasp the scientific vocabulary and connect different lessons together in a fun way. In dissolving, the solid is added to the liquid and it's called the solute. The liquid that does the dissolving is called the solvent, like water, for example. The mixture of the solute and solvent is called the solution. What happens when a solid dissolves? Notice the solid particles, how they are organized close to each other while the liquid particles are apart. When a solid dissolves, the liquid particles collide with the solid particles, causing them to split up. The solid particles then mix with the liquid particles, forming a solution. There are three ways to speed up dissolving. First of all, heat up the solution. More heat will speed up dissolving. We can stir the solution and crush up the solute. Before adding the solute to the solvent, we can crush the solute into smaller particles and this will speed up dissolving. So those are three ways to speed up the process of dissolving. Stirring the solution and crushing up the solute are both mechanical ways to speed up dissolving. So this was a demonstration for the process of dissolving. Watch the next video to test your knowledge about dissolving.